Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So before we start this video, please do like and subscribe if you are new. And let's start the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make like thumbnails and like backgrounds for your videos, websites. As you can see, I will show you one thing. My website is, these backgrounds are made with canva.com, but I won't show that. I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails for your videos. So create a design. Actually, I'm going to be going to my designs. These are all that I made. As you can see, I will show you the size. It's 1280 pixels by 720 pixels, so let's keep that in mind. One custom dimensions 1280 by 720. That's good. And we're going to create a design. Once you create it, go to this new page. It's called Canva Design. Sorry for the noise, it's very noisy in my house, so I'm talking very slowly because of some things. So you'll go to this page and it'll load. So I'll see you in a bit. Wait. So yeah, as you can see, this page came. Now what you can do is you can go to background, which is this, and you can put lots of backgrounds. So keep in mind these are all free. So you won't get copyrighted because these are royalty free, which means they are not copyrighted. As you can see now, we'll just make example sort of thumbnail. Okay, so we'll make a website thumbnail for like space program video. So we're going to choose this background here, which is a space background. And what we can do is, as you can see, load a bit. Until that loads, we can go to our text. These are very HD, these ones, what you call images, so they're pretty cool. So what you can do, you can go to text and put add heading, and then call this so as you can see, it's good. But my favorite font is this. I really like this font when you're making thumbnails because it's very cool. Oh, it's so noisy. It's called, my goodness. Okay, as you can see, it has like where is it? What's up? This text is called Bebaus New. As you can see, this one, it's very nice actually, according to me. Space, so we'll just make it space. I make this text a teensy bit bigger because it's gonna get smaller. We just go and put it to 120. That's enough. Now we can position this in the center. It will position the center. So now what you're gonna do, we're gonna put a subheading. So we can put a slogan here or quote or something. This text is nice, but the thing is, position it in the center, and we'll change the text to Bebas New. Let's see. No, that's not good. Well, we'll use this text, which is pretty nice and very professional looking. We'll go to light. as you can see, we have done it, but we can also add some other things like rocket. So rocket, you can search rocket and it will open up some images for rockets. Don't take this one, it's called Pro. If you want, you can buy, but I am just gonna use the free version. So yeah, we can like get a cartoon thing of a rocket. So you need a good looking rocket. Wait a minute, where's the rocket? Okay, we will use this one for this example. We will reduce the size of it and we will make it white color because it's nice. See, you have made your thumbnail. Now you can download it. Now I am suggesting you, and this one also suggests you PNG because it's very high quality. So I'm going to download the PNG. So it will load your design, and then that's it. You can save it in your downloads folder, any place you want, and you'll start downloading. Now keep in mind this, if it's more than 2 MB, YouTube won't take it as a thumbnail. So what you can do now is we can see my website. So documents, do downloads, where is it? As you can see here, it's very high quality. Space, exploring space and beyond, very cool. And as you can see, you can upload like a video. Now we're gonna upload Avira 2 just for now because I just want to show you this thing. So now what you can do is you can put custom thumbnail, and you can put your thumbnail in here like this. Now for your videos, thumbnails might not come, but that's because you have to go and verify your account. There are many other videos on YouTube how to verify your account, so go and check that out because I can't do that all in one video. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.